Hi everyone, welcome to new video on Python by BR Tech World. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the string functions. And in string functions, we are going to discuss about capitalize, count, and with function. Okay. So let me first make a string here. So here I write a string, and I write here a text. I want to make my this first letter of welcome to be capital. So I need to write here capitalize. Okay. I need to write here another function, and then I assign here my string 1 and capitalize function. Okay. Now go down and print the value of string 1. If I print here if I print here the value of string 1, here you can see our welcome first letter, that is W, which is now capitalized. Okay. So now let's talk about the second one, that is count. I write here count function. Now what will count function will do? It will count the number of words or number of times you use the same word. For example, if I have to check that how many times I use O word in this whole string. Okay. So I'm going, how I can do this? I need to write here str1, and then from string 1, I need to count the letter O. Okay. Now go and print it out uh, before printing it. Okay, now let it print out. So if I press here enter, you can see I used the letter O for 3 times. Okay. So if you check here, you can see that we have O in welcome, then in to, and then in world. So this is exactly 3 times in our string also, and we are getting the same results here. Okay, now let's talk about the second example here. Okay, now let's talk about the third function, that is ends with. So for example, you want to identify that does your string ends with D or not. So how you can do this? So you need to write here your string 1 and then string dot count, sorry, ends with. Okay. Now I want to check that is it ending with D or not. So I write here D, then print your string 1. Okay. Now print it out. If you see here, it shows that that it's true that it is ending from D. What if I write here a word that is world? Okay, this is showing true for this one. What if I write something wrong here, and let me check it? Is it showing the correct results or not? So if you see here, it's showing us a result that is false, which is exactly true. So this is how these three these three string function work. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you enjoyed this video, then make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.